there. A huli. Huli means to turn. Reach your right hand out. Nope. Reach your left hand out. On to the right. A huli. Take it across your chest. 1, 2, 3. Reach it out. Reach and turn. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it goes kaholo and kaholo. Stay there. A huli. You're going to ami to the right. Your arm's going to reach out. You're going to stop the first set at this wall, the second set at Uncle Don's wall. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3. Reach out. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3. That comes across your chest when you do your amis. Okay, again. So it's here, and then we'll start. A huli. Reach out. 1 and across your chest. 1, 2, 3. Reach out. 1 and across your chest. 1, 2, 3. And then point. Listen to this, because this is the same in every verse. It's with komaka kolima. With your eyes, you're going to hold the left. Your right hand's going to come on top of your left hand. And your hands, okay, so with your eyes and your hands come down your body. And your body, your left hand's going to come in front of your leg, right's going to come on your hip. You're going to ami 4 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That much again. So here we go. From the huli. 5, 6, here we go. 1 and across your chest. 1, 2, reach it out. 1 and across your chest. 1, 2, 3, and point. With your eyes and your hands and your body, left in front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, here we go. A huli, right here. A Huli Makou, reach out. A huli Makou, point right. Komaka kolima me kokino. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, question. It's got to be turned. A huli across your chest. A huli Makou, reach out. A huli across your chest. A huli Makou, komaka. Komaka, kolima, me kokino. Down, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 5, 6, 7, and a huli across your chest. A huli Makou, reach out. A huli chest. A huli Makou, point. With your eyes and your hands and your body ami. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Gotta be a right ami. Feet are going to go. Ladies, your feet. Step, brush together, away. Hey, back on your right, back on your left, and 1 cup over. Okay? On the right, step on the right, brush the left. Step, brush together, away. Back on the right, back on the left, 1 kaholo. 1 kaholo. Okay, and again. 5, 6, 7, and step, brush together, away. Back on the right, back on the left, and 1 kaholo. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and step, brush together, away. Back on the right, back on the left, and 1 kaholo. We got it? Okay, hands, and then I'll back up so you can all see. You're going to roll your right hand to make love. So this is going to go step, brush, together, away. Your right's going to come out. It's going to come near your chest. It's going to circle around that arm and extend. So we did step, brush, together, away. The hand that's out is going to come underneath your chest, and you're going to back on your right, back on your left, and 1 kaholo. Let's try that last part from the step brush. 5, 6, here we go. Step, brush, together, put it back. Back on your right, back on your left, and 1 cup polo. Again, ready? 5, 6, 7, step. Step, brush, together, away. Okay, back on your right, back on your left, and 1 cup polo. Again, 5, 6, 7, and step, brush, together, away. Back on your right, back on your left, and 1 cup polo. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and a huli, here you go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, the other way. 1, and here we go. And with your eyes and your hands and your body. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, brush, together, away. Back on your right, back on your left, and 1 cup polo. Okay? One polo. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1,